What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to change Revolut's country, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell as well. So let's say you want to change a country on your Revolut account with any given reason. So is it possible? Well, we are gonna dive into it. So yes, you can only change your address in app, and if your new country or residence is serviced by the same Revolut entity as the one in which your account is originally registered. So what is an entity? So Revolut entity is a legal institution within a Revolut group authorized to provide financial services in a specific jurisdiction. It operates under the necessary license and regulatory framework to ensure compliances with local laws. So overall, residents that belong to the Revolut Bank UAB entity can change their address to the Revolut Bank UAB countries in-app. However, they can't change addresses between branches of Bank UAB. Revolut Limited customers can change their addresses in-app as well. For changes between UK and Switzerland, they require a proof of address, and to do that you need to go to Profile on the top left of the screen, go to Account, go to Personal Details and select Residential Address. So what if you need to change the address to a country serviced by a different entity? Should your address change to a country where your existing Revolut entity does not provide services, the only option is to close your account and open a new one with Revolut entity providing services in that country, and of course cost and charges may apply. So overall guys, that's it on to how to change your address on Revolut. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and as I mentioned earlier, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell also. So guys, that would be it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.